Hey, what's up? My name is Steve. I'm a buddy of Max's. You probably know him better as Max's Math Magic. Anyway, he likes math, and I'm always skeptical of math, so he wanted me to watch this video and react to it. I don't know what he has in store for me, but nothing mathematically related could ever impress me.
I want to show you some really awesome math magic that you can use to impress your friends. The first thing that I'm going to recommend is that you watch the video and or know how to convert decimals into fractions.
Yeah, I think I remember how to do that. Maybe. I don't know. I didn't really pay attention in school.
Also, you'll notice that I'm wearing a band-aid, and that's from a non-math related accident. Don't worry, this was not caused by anything mathematically related. This was caused by my complete lack of skill in repairing things around the house. So don't worry. We should be comfortable with the fact that 3 repeating, 0.33333, that's 1/3.
Yeah, that sounds reasonable. Yeah.
So we should be able to know how to convert this decimal, this repeating decimal, into this fraction. That's what that video that I just referenced talks about. We should also be comfortable with the fact that 0.6 repeating is equal to 2/3. Now the question is, what is 0.999 repeating?
All right, Max, really? You're gonna make me watch this stuff? I mean, I kind of remember how to do this in high school. This isn't fun. I mean, what's the big deal?
What is that as a fraction?
Who
So I'm going to
cares?
use the same techniques. I'm going to use the same methods that I used in the video showing you how to convert any repeating decimal into a fraction. That is
Okay.
my unknown, 0.999 repeating. I'll call that x. Okay, what did we do? Well, since this only repeated once, I multiplied it by 10.
Yeah, because I mean, when you multiply things by 10, you just move the decimal to the right by 1. All right. I mean, I don't see what the big deal about that is.
So that gives me 9.999 repeating.
Just what I
There's an
thought.
infinite number of nines to draw from. And so that just keeps going on forever with an infinite number of nines. Now I'm going to write this as 10x equal to 9 plus, and I'm going to peel off all the decimal places, like so. And you may recognize that this is 10x equal to the number 9 plus 0.999 repeating.
Yeah, I mean, you just like, separate it, right? I mean, you take the 9 off, and then there's just a bunch of point nines after that. I mean, what's the big deal?
Where have I seen 0.9 repeating? Oh yes, we called that x
Oh
up
yeah.
here, the unknown. So what do we have? We have 10x equal to 9 plus x. And now what do we do? Well, we subtract x from both sides. And if I have 10 x's and I subtract 1 x, that leaves me with a 9x over here, and that's equal to 9 over there.
All right, like I don't know why Max is having me watch this. I mean, there's nothing special about this. I mean, what's the big deal? I don't get it. I mean,
And then if I divide both sides by 9, I get that x equals.
right, you're solving for X. I get it, okay? Oh, man. I mean, Max is my buddy and all, but I mean, he's always trying to make math interesting, and I just don't get it.
Equals 9 divided by 9, which is 1. Wait a minute. X is equal to 1, but x is also equal to 0.9 repeating.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, so it's equal to 1, but I you round it, and then yeah, it's because of rounding.
Now, some of you may say, well, that's because you round, right? And that's not the case. Remember, when we had 0.6 repeating forever,
Well, yeah, you round that 6 to a 7, right? I mean, and then that next 6 becomes a 7, and I mean, it's because of rounding, right?
we didn't just round all these sixes up to sevens, right? We didn't say, well, that 6 gets bumped up to a 7, and then that 6 gets bumped up to a 7, so this is really 0.7 repeating. So this isn't due to rounding. This is due to magic.
All right, I, I really don't know what to say. I mean, X is 0.9 repeating. That's not 1. I mean, it's like close to one, right? I mean, but then x equals one, and you're saying it's the same thing.
Point 0.9 repeating forever and ever and ever is equal to 1.
That's just not fair. I mean, is that it? You can't. No, no, no. No. I refuse to believe it. No, that can't be. That's that's amazing. That's math magic.